So today, we are meeting Wodemaya and Miss Trudy, Africa's most influential YouTubers. Hey Wode, how are you feeling about the day?
Overwhelmed, man. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do right now. I think this is the best day of my life, bro. I mean, never experienced anything like this in my whole African travels, and I feel so special today. Big shout out to each and everyone who made this possible. Listen, deep down my heart, I appreciate this, man. Thank you.
It's very emotional. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but we are grateful, so grateful. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, so we're just here with Peter and we're heading to see Sarah and amazing YouTubers. You can't imagine who we are going to meet. Let's go! Right about now, I'm here with Peter and it's just amazing. So today we're heading over to Sarah Tourist's community and we have a special guest, Wodemaya and Miss Trudy. So we have just reached Sarah's place and it's just so good. The music is loud, children are happy, people are eating, man. It's just fun. It's just a party. Let's go, let's do it. There we go. Oh.
How are you?
Yeah, welcome to the Ray Moses channel. I don't know.
So guys, we are here. You know, I have been in the kitchen. My mind is thinking about food. So as you can see there, everyone is busy getting food. We almost ready.
Oh, thank you so much, man. We thought we were going to be close, but we are here.
No.
I hope the visitors don't get lost.
It's not far away.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
But they said when they reach somewhere, they are going to follow us.
Oh, that's nice.
We are waiting for their call.
That's nice. That's really nice. I'm excited.
Yeah, nice meeting you, Peter.
Nice meeting you, Sarah.
Thank you.
This is a good community and we are happy to visit.
Thank you.
Yeah, we are so happy. Like we thought we were going to reach so late, and you know.
And the only problem when it rains. But if it doesn't rain, everything will be perfect.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Kim is right there.
Yeah.
Kim Yoji. Hey man. Hey.
Hi guys.
Ooh.
Hi. How are you doing?
It's
For us, we are just waiting for Wodemaya and Miss Trudy. And
Man, nice meeting you again.
oh, you are most welcome to our village.
Yeah. I don't know. We hope everything goes on well as planned, and
Yeah.
we are right here. Yeah.
The day is today to meet Wodemaya. It has been like 1 week since we started talking. I remember my friend Lynn Zabu, she met him at Munyonyo Resort Hotel when on Women's Day. That's when she gave him my number and he called me instantly and he said, Sarah, everyone is talking about you and when I come to Jinja, I have to meet you. came yesterday night. Today they have been, I know they are tired, but of course we also need them.
Hey Peter, so how is it so far?
Finally, the day is very good and we are enjoying the day.
Yeah.
It is amazing. We are meeting this guy this evening. And as you hear, music is here.
Oh man, it's fun time, huh? Show us what you got. It's so beautiful. We are in the community, people are having fun. It's just so lovely, and I don't know what word I can use. It's just so marvelous.
Okay, I know within 30 minutes you'll be here. Okay, let me try to be entertaining the people because I want you to find them because we are many here. Hey, you see. Okay, thank you. So guys, Wadamaya, he said he's coming. I feel like in 30 minutes he will be here because from Georgetown to here, it's only 30 minutes. So let us go and prepare to welcome him. How do you feel being a main host? Happy. I know. We're happy. Honestly. We are happy. We've been dancing, shouting, singing, enjoying everything. So far, so good. So far, so good.
Yeah, so I hope everything goes well.
It has to.
Everything is already good.
Everything is already good because when you eat and there's music, what else?
Man, I can't imagine. The kids are so happy. Everyone is happy. Well done. I just love the project and everything is good.
Hey guys, this is Daisy and right here in Maga waiting for Wadamaya and Miss Trudy. Now, if you're Christian like me, you'd understand we honor greatness. We honor men who are doing better than us because we know what God can do amid this men. Guys, we're excited. This is the beginning of a new era and I'm telling you, you're coming with us and you're going to see what the Lord can do.
People are so excited. What's going on?
People are very excited. They are waiting for the Maya guys and the Miss Trudy guys. So, you know,
and they're excited to see what the man Miss Trudy, so we can't wait to see them. Wadamaya is just on the way right now. The excitement is like, man, it's crazy. Look at people right about here. You know, I can't explain how much he has an impact to fellow YouTubers. He has set an example that anyone can, you know, achieve whatever you want as long as you keep working hard, as long as you're persistent, as long as you keep trusting in God. So just keep working hard and only the sky is the limit. So today we are meeting Wadamaya and let's have fun. Tugende! Hi, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
Let her come. We have them. Hey, Miss Miller. Hey, you're better, yes? College. Wanna go for that? Hey guys, man, it's fun. Everyone is happy. The community is just, man, everyone is just full of joy. I don't know what to say, but it's just so beautiful. It's wonderful. Man, what else can I say? It's a beautiful day. Let's go and let's just do it. Let's make it happen. Let's go. Sorry. Hey, what day? How are you feeling about the day?
Overwhelmed, man. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do right now. I think this is the best day of my life, bro. I mean, never experienced anything like this in my whole African travels, and I feel so special today. Big shout out to each and everyone who made this possible. Listen, deep down my heart, I appreciate this, man. Thank you.
Hey, Miss Trudy.
Hey,
How are you feeling about the day?
it's emotional. Like very emotional. Yeah. I don't know what to say. That's already made me cry. I don't know what else. But we are grateful. So grateful. Thank you so much.